Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the X Dogelon Mars token. So it seems like 2.0 season is almost over. There is still some 2.0, 3.0 tokens, whatever. But now X seems to be the popular trend. They have Dogelon Mars is a famous meme token from, maybe a year or so ago. And now they've put an X in front of it, and now we have X Dogelon Mars. And this token is about to start their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. In a little bit under 2 days or so, the pre-sale will start. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, X Dogelon Mars. It says, join us on the meme coin millionaire journey. An experienced team has come together to launch the coin that will follow the biggest meme coins in history. It's a deflationary token, low tax of 3 and 3, contract renounced, MEXC global listing is confirmed. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track, huge marketing has started, SpaceX billboard is paid for, big influencer partnerships, main Telegram calls, AI trending, DEX tools trending, possible 50 times on launch, no private sale, no team tokens, and no tokens marketing, whatever that means. Well, they are doing marketing, obviously. But they do have a full audit that you could check out. So they were audited by revolution.app, .app, and you can check out the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have tons of socials listed on here. They have an Instagram, they have a GitHub, Telegram, Facebook, a Twitter, and their webpage, xdogelonmars.com. Now, if you're looking for their Twitter, I'm going to put it up in the corner there so you guys can easily find that. X_Dogelon and their Telegram is at xdogelonmars. So pre-sale will start exactly August 8th at 13 hours UTC time. It's going to be a public pre-sale. Soft cap is set at 20 BNB, and there is no hard cap. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. And pre-sale will go all the way until August 10th at 15 hours UTC time. So basically the pre-sale is just going to go for 2 days and 2 hours. Now if you missed the pre-sale and you're looking to get this token, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the X Dogelon Mars token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, which is xdogelonmars.com. Now, you'll probably have to set your slippage around 3% for buys and 3% for sells because of those taxes. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. Also, shortly after the pre-sale is over, it says this token will go over to MEXC Global. So that's an easy way to get the token. If you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. And how you would buy this off MEXC Global is you could just go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Elon, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. So that's a real easy way to get it. So right now, Pink Sale, and then eventually Pancake Swap and MEXC Global. Now there's 18 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 420 million tokens. According to their token metrics pie chart, 60% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 29.98% of the tokens go to liquidity, 8.81% of the tokens go to central exchange wallet lock, and 1.2% are the tokens are unlocked. Now, there is their webpage you can check out. You can follow their socials for updates if you want to see like when they're getting their token listings, all that type of stuff. They're gonna announce on their pages exactly when things are happening. That's a good way to stay up to date with what's going on. It looks like if you go to their webpage, there might be more social links as well. I think I see Medium articles. Oh yeah, at the very bottom of their page, if you scroll down on xdogelonmars.com, you can find Medium articles, a YouTube channel. You can find their BSC scan, a GitHub, their Telegram, and their Twitter. And I believe there's more on Pink Sale, their Instagram. Now, if you go to their webpage, you can find links to buy on Pink Sale. It says powered by CoinMarketCap, and they have a link to CoinMarketCap. It says, and then it shows Dogelon Mars, how they're doing, stuff like that. Looks like there's a comic book on their page. It says, follow the story of Dogelon Mars as he explores the greatest mysteries of the galaxy and seeks to recolonize the planet he once called home with the help of his friends he made during his travels to the stars. And then they show different comic books here. They have number 1, 2, 3, 4. They all have different stories. You can actually read these whole comic books that somebody made, and it's really cool artwork. It's obviously got some Shiba Inus running around in there in space. I mean, I might even check this comic book out later. It's pretty cool. There's a character that kind of looks like Venom's mouth, but it's like a dog. Yeah, pretty cool. So I'm going to check that out. A Cosmic Saga Begins, and you can read the comic book. You can also get the Dogelon Mars sticker pack, and you can download that. That's pretty cool as well. All sorts of different tweets on here. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me, and we will reach the stars. And it says they're partners with Gemini, Hubi Global, KuCoin, KCEX, Pancake Swap, and CoinTiger. So most of those are all central exchanges. So after the MEXC global listing, it's safe to assume that they're going to start getting some of those listings as well. So yeah, check all this out. You can find them on Pink Sale. You can find their webpage, xdogelonmars.com. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? I checked out their Medium. They don't have any articles yet, but maybe they'll have some soon. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one where this token is going to be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.